You can use rubber base as a base coat for any product, even for gel polish. It is thicker viscosity gel, which helps to avoid any lifting. And it also has a very pleasant aroma. Here is how we suggest to apply it. Rubber base application. Preparation, freshener, Ultra Bond primer. Rubber base is very flexible clear base gel with extreme adhesion to natural nail. It eliminates lifting problem to absolute zero. It can be used as a base coat for any application. We will use acrylic gel after that. As you see, very thin layer, and cure it. Rubber base has a minimal tacky layer, and you don't have to remove it. Apply a drop of acrylic gel on the nail. And work with that. Press it gently, it's pretty soft. You can move it easily. Work with sides. Push it slowly toward tip. We need a little bit more on the left side. Done. Now we cure it. Now you can pinch it after 30 seconds. Please use finishing wipe. Pinch it, hold for 5-10 seconds and cure it once again, 30 seconds. After that, remove sticky layer. Use a finishing wipe for that. And now you can file it. It's very easy to file. Rubber base is super flexible. Here is the thin layer of cured rubber base, and let's see how many times I can fold it. 2, 3. Now I unfold it back and it doesn't crack. It is super flexible, but files like a normal gel.